So I walk into class one day to find that instead of our normal discussion on special relativity, we're going to be treated to a clip from Back to the Future. Awesome! This is coming from the same professor who I banter back and forth with on Twitter. I don't even have a Twitter account, I just use our research groups. I'm a physics major, and I think physicists are both weird and awesome. Apart from the Twitter adventures, there's also the humor of emails. The English department would be like, "We would love to see you at this event with this honorary speaker who we will hope you all enjoy, and ah-dee-dee-dee-dee. This will be an enriching experience, and such and such and such, and in order for you to be involved in this program, we highly suggest..." And then the physics would be like, "There is a seminar happening at 3 o'clock. You are highly encouraged to attend." And then they have all these weird inside jokes like spherical cows, which is basically the fact that cows are all, there's mass here and there's mass here. So just for the sake of simplicity, assume a spherical cow. The internet seems to have this fascination with physics, but why do people think physics is cool in the first place? Cool enough to mess around on the internet with, oh my gosh, science! And cool enough to actually spend a life pursuing it, which is, you know, that's, yeah. Learning time. Time Lord Jacqueline, take it from here.
Physics. 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 Hope you're getting this all down.
The weird thing about physics is you don't actually know where the laws of physics come from, but they seem obviously designed. Like in biology, Darwin's evolution is an explanation for the apparent design of all of biology and humans and animals and species, but physics has no explanation. Like if the initial conditions of the universe were any different, life would not be possible. Like say the electron weighed a little bit more. Boom! We're gone! There's no real present, and time is relative. Time is physical! It's like mass or space or something. You can legitimately mess with time. All you gotta do is like jump in the air or run around in circles for a while and you literally experience time differently. My astrophysics professor keeps joking that we should pull out the Hubble equation on romantic candlelit dinners, but that could legitimately be cool. Like here, I have written the calculations for the age of the universe on a napkin. Seriously, that was a homework problem for last week. Calculate the age of the universe. Number 1. It's a step up from you throw a rock at 5 miles per hour. And there's so many different types of physics. My nuclear physics research room is right across the hall from the astrophysics room. We are studying the smallest things that exist, and they are studying the biggest thing. The actual biggest thing. The universe! Physics is everything. The laws of physics are just there. They're just sitting there. The fact that 2 pi is the circumference of a circle, it just is. It's there like the hidden code of the world. And there was a point, an actual point before time. Like, time literally did not exist. Time just started existing when the universe started existing. If any one part had been different, we wouldn't be here. It'd be like moon dust or asteroid or bacteria if we were really lucky. When you make tea and add milk to it, like bloop, the milk just goes through the tea like that. It didn't have to do that. Physics could dictate that stuff actually stays where it is or it just awkwardly remains cold, but no! Newton's laws of heating. Diffusion! What if ice was heavier than water? Lakes would start freezing from the bottom. Adios, sushi. Adios, our entire ecosystem. God is so smart. And we're just beginning to figure things out. We're like the kid you play hide and seek with where you go hide behind the curtain and act all happy when they find you. God and Jesus are probably like, isn't that cute? They've finally discovered the theory of relativity. Yeah, they sure do grow up fast. Only took thousands of years. It's simultaneously humbling and really awesome. And that is why I feel blessed to be able to study physics. Thanks, Time Lord Jacqueline. There are people outside. Do not annoy the people. Do not be annoyed by the people. Be one with the people. Understand the people. Forgive the people. And the lawnmower.